Question number 1. Which of the following is a functional unit of a body? A. Mitochondria. B. Cytoplasm. C. Spleen. D. Cell. The correct answer is D. Cell. Question number 2. Which of the following is used by cells to interact with other cells? A. Cell tubules. B. Cell junctions. C. Cell adhesions. D. Cell detectors. And the correct answer is B. Cell junctions. Question number 3. In which of the following type of cells the cell junction is abundant? A. Cardiac cell. B. Prokaryotic cells. C. Hepatic cells. D. Epithelial cells. The correct answer is D. Epithelial cells. Question number 4. Which of the following is known as the powerhouse of a cell? A. Mitochondria. B. Cytoplasm. C. Lysosome. D. Nuclei. And the correct answer is A. Mitochondria. Question number 5. Which of the following is known as the suicide bag of a cell? A. Mitochondria. B. Golgi complex. C. Lysosome. D. Nuclei. The correct answer is C. Lysosome. Question number 6. Lysosomes are produced by which of the following cell organelles? A. Mitochondria. B. Endoplasmic reticulum. C. Golgi complex. D. DNA. And the correct answer is C. Golgi complex. Question number 7. Which of the following cell organelle is responsible for transporting, modifying and packaging proteins and lipids? A. Mitochondria. B. Endoplasmic reticulum. C. Golgi complex. D. DNA. And the correct answer is C. Golgi complex. Question number 8. Which of the following cell doesn't contain a cell wall? A. Plant cell. B. Bacteria. C. Fungi. D. Animal cell. The correct answer is D. Animal cell. Question number 9. Who is the father of cell biology? A. Gregor and Papanicolaou. B. Gregor Emil Palade. C. Robert Hooke. D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Gregor Emil Palade. Question number 10. DNA is stored in which of the following cell organelle? A. Cell wall. B. Cell membrane. C. Nucleus. D. Cytoplasm. The correct answer is C. Nucleus. Question number 11. In which of the following cell nucleus is not present? A. Eukaryotic cell. B. Prokaryotic cell. C. Both of the above. D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Prokaryotic cell. Question number 12. Which of the following organisms doesn't have a cell? A. Virus. B. Bacteria. C. Fungi. D. Algae. And the correct answer is A. Virus. Question number 13. RNA is present in which of the following cell organelles? A. Cell wall. B. Ribosome. C. Nucleus. D. Cytoplasm. The correct answer is B. Ribosome. Question number 14. A cell organelle that is present in animal cells but not present in plant cells is A. Cytoplasm, B. Centrosome, C. Mitochondria, D. Golgi body. The correct answer is B. Centrosome. Question number 15. Protein synthesis takes place in which of the following cell organelle? A. Cell wall, B. Ribosome, C. Nucleus, D. Cytoplasm. Correct answer is B. Ribosome. Question number 16. Which of the following cell is found in the brain? A. Neuron, B. Hepatocyte, C. Nephron, D. Epithelial cell. The correct answer is A. Neuron. Question number 17. Which of the following polysaccharide is not present in the eukaryotic plant cell wall? A. Chitin, B. Hemicellulose, C. Pectin, D. Cellulose. And the correct answer is D. Cellulose. Question number 18. Which of the following cells release insulin when glucose levels elevate in the body? A. Gamma cells, B. Beta cells, C. Alpha cells, D. Zeta cells. Correct answer is B. Beta cells. Question number 19. Which of the following cells do not lack the ability to divide? A. Red blood cells, B. Muscle cells, C. Skin cells, D. Nerve cells. And the correct answer is C. Skin cells. Question number 20. Which of the following cells do not usually divide but can be induced to divide? A. Liver cells, B. Red blood cells, C. Hair cells, D. Hair follicles. And the correct answer is A. Liver cells. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.